Today's topic is about important urinary screening test. There is simple test for the detection of particular molecule present in urinary sample or not, and that can be useful for the diagnosis of some important disease as well as inborn error of metabolism. So in detail we will look. Simple Nin-Hytrin test that is used for the general test for all amino acid. If any amino acid is present in the urinary sample, then Nin-Hytrin test will be positive. Further, you have to know that normally urine sample does not containing any amino acid because 100% of amino acid which is filtered from the glomerule, 100% of amino acid are reabsorbed from the PCT, that is proximal convoluted tubules. So normally amino acid is not present, but if it is present in urinary sample, that will be positive by the Nin-Hytrin test, simple test that is helping to detect amino acid in the urinary sample. For the specific xanthoproteic test that is used to detect whether phenylalanine, tyrosine or tryptophan is present in the urine or not. Further in detail, very specific whether particular tyrosine is present or not, that can be detected by the Millon's test. Normally tyrosine is not present, but particular hypertyrosinemia in which particular fumarate acetoacetate hydrolase enzyme is deficient that lead to the appearance of tyrosine in the urine. Further, aldehyde test or Hopkins-Kohl test that is used to detect tryptophan in the urinary sample. Biuret test that is general test for the all proteins. So sometime apart from amino acid, a bigger molecule that is protein is present in the urine, and that can be detected by simply a biuret test. Further, Benedict test, it is simple test for all reducing substance. These reducing substance are of both type, carbohydrate and non-carbohydrate. Carbohydrate reducing substance, you have to remember glucose, fructose, galactose. So in galactosemia as well as fructosuria as well as in some particular condition, but like diabetes mellitus, also this Benedict test will be positive. But apart from that, Fanconi syndrome where particular glucose, phosphate, bicarbonate are appearing in the urine, so this Fanconi syndrome that can be also detected with the help of Benedict test positive, that is suggesting of any reducing substance is present, and that is indicating so many disease. Further in detail, Sakaguchi's test that is test for the arginine. So arginine is normally not present in urine, but it will be appear in a argininemia where arginase enzyme is deficient. For the Polish test that is test for the histidine. Lead acetate test that is test for the cysteine or cysteine. So cysteine and cysteine, they are the sulfur containing amino acid, but methionine that is also sulfur containing amino acid, but it will not give positive for the lead acetate test because thioether bond that is not giving positive for this lead acetate test. For the ferric chloride test that is positive in phenylketonuria, alkaptonuria, MSUD that is maple syrup urine disease, which is particular disease related to the branch chain amino acid. Rothera test that is positive for the ketone body. Now ketone body, they are generally appearing in two conditions, that is starvation and diabetes mellitus. But apart from that, von Jacques disease where particular enzyme glucose 6 phosphatase is deficient, and in that particular glucose 6 phosphatase deficiency lead to the hypoglycemia and leading to the ketoacidosis. So Rothera test will also positive in von Jacques disease. Further, DNPH that is dinitrophenylhydrogen test positive in MSUD, that is again maple syrup urine disease, ketoaciduria as well as isovaleric aciduria. Cyanide nitrochloride test positive in a homocystinuria. Cativalon test that is screening test for the Hurler syndrome. Now Hurler syndrome that is one of the mucopolysaccharidosis. Apart from this cativalon test, CPC that is cetyl pyridinium chloride test that is citrate turbidity test for the Hurler as well as Hunter's disease. Simply this Hurler and Hunter's disease are the mucopolysaccharidosis where particular mucopolysaccharide remain accumulated in the cell, and that can be detected with the help of whether this disease is present or not, that can be detected with the help of urinary screening test, that is CPC. So that's all about the some important urinary screening tests which can be used for the diagnosis of some particular disease. So it is frequently asked in the Viva, MCQ and short question. So that's all about the important urinary screening test.